Hey viewers, welcome to the beginner project. So let's start our video number 6. So I told you about my previous video, so we just started to learn our file structure. So let's start now. First of all, we have to divide the simple text sections into the some pages. So let's start doing. So first of all, we have a head. So let's make another file with the name of head.php. You have to give an extension to the name of php. So here is a new file. So take this take this part of head here, cut from this, and then here paste it. So now save it. Now we have to give the link of header file. So in the php file we need to give a php include include and php head, that's the name of file, php that's extension, and the end of this file. So here we save it, and then we have to all changes here. So you can see there is nothing to be changed here because we give the link of the page here. So next part we have to divide this nav bar. So first of all we have to make a new bar, nav.php. So in this file, let's just give the part of name, cut from it, and then paste it here. Now let's save it, and now also give this link of nav file php include nav.php, that's the name of another file we are making. So let's save it and then see the changes here. So there's nothing to be changed here. So let's make a new part here, center. Okay, so here let's just make another file with the name of footer.php. php is extension of file in the web developing page. So here cut the page of so here cut of these are and just paste it here and then save it, also save it here, and then just give another file link we made php include nav footer.php and then semicolon at the end of the file. So here let's save it. So here we make another almost 1 2 3 4 name the files. Okay, so in the next video we make another video for home, login, registration, and then contact us, and then about, and then in next videos contact us, privacy policy, disclaimer, sitemap. In these videos I just tell you about this the front page of the website. In the next videos I will tell you inside the pages what we have done and what we have to do in this inside the pages. Okay, so let's get the end of the video here, and I hope you all understand and enjoy this lecture. So get the point here and end this.